Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a Midnight in Malibu. Now, this is not a weekend vacation, but it'll definitely take you in a little lift. All of our coffee drinks are always made better with a little bit of spirit in them. This drink specifically is going to be using Malibu rum. You cannot use a different coconut rum for this. I mean, you could, but it's going to ruin it. I mean, it's Midnight in Malibu. You want to use Malibu rum. So we're going to go for 1.5 ounces, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 count. Now we're going to top off the rest of this with our coffee all the way to the top. And I personally recommend adding on a layer of whipped cream and a maraschino cherry on the top of any coffee drink. So I think it really adds to the culinary appeal, and I think that customers will definitely like it. Your guests will enjoy it. But it's not called for in the recipe, so we're going to hold off on that. Personally, like I said, I love it. I think it adds sweetness to the coffee. Instead of adding in cream later, you're going to already have that cream in there. But needless to say, that is your Midnight in Malibu. Enjoy.